been a real privilege to be able to bring the S80 into Cannes this year for its global launch. I'm a test engineer, so I will receive a finished boat at the end of the build stage. I get to use the vessel in the real world scenario, so I get a unique insight to the way the boat will run and be used. So my experience with the X80 and the Y80 has helped massively feeding into this S80. In terms of expectations on first launch, and then in relation to how it actually performed, there was actually an increase on planned speed and capabilities. This vessel in particular does have slightly larger engines, slightly more horsepower and capacity, and the steering system that we're using now allows us to have full rudder angle at any speed that we're producing. I'm really looking forward to seeing how the customers are going to receive this. I think it fits in absolutely perfectly with its surroundings.